Hey there, welcome back to the channel that helps you unlock the secrets to confidence, attraction, and genuine connection with women. Today, I'm going to reveal something so powerful that once you start practicing it, women will feel drawn to you in ways you've never experienced before. It's not a fancy trick, it's not a line you memorize, it's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about understanding one core principle, emotional imprinting, and how it makes a woman feel an almost magnetic pull toward you. If you've ever wondered why some guys can make a woman think about them constantly, while others just fade away after a date or two, this is exactly what you've been missing. So grab a pen, take notes, and stay until the end because I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how you can make her addicted to you in a way that feels authentic and real. And before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from. I'd love to know. All right, let's get started. What is emotional imprinting? So let's talk about this idea of emotional imprinting. Emotional imprinting happens when you create moments and experiences that feel so vivid, so powerful, that she can't help but associate those feelings with you. Think about your own life for a second. Have you ever heard a song that instantly took you back to a moment with someone special? Or smelled a perfume that brought back a rush of memories and feelings from years ago? That's emotional imprinting. It's like leaving a permanent mark in her emotional memory. Most men don't realize this. They focus on surface level things like showing off, telling jokes, or sending good morning texts. And while those things aren't bad, they don't create a lasting bond. What makes her crave you, what makes her think about you when she wakes up and before she falls asleep, is the emotional experience she feels when she's around you. You might be wondering, why is this so effective? Because human beings are wired to respond to emotion more than logic. She may logically know you're not the tallest guy in the room or the richest or the smoothest talker, but if you can make her feel excited, safe, alive, and connected, none of that matters. The brain processes emotions in the limbic system, which is the same area that handles memory and desire. That's why people say, she won't remember what you said, she'll remember how you made her feel. Emotional imprinting creates what psychologists call emotional anchors, strong associations between you and powerful feelings. When you do this consistently, she starts linking your presence to excitement, anticipation, and intimacy. And that's when you become addictive. How to create emotional imprints. Let's break this down into 4 simple steps you can start applying today. Step 1, be fully present. Put your phone away. Stop thinking about how you look or what you'll say next. When she talks, look her in the eyes. Nod, smile, react. Ask thoughtful questions that show you care about what she's saying. Women are unbelievably tuned into presence. When you give her your full attention, she feels safe and valued, which is rare in a world full of distractions. Step 2, lead her into new experiences. Routine kills attraction faster than almost anything. If every date is dinner and a movie, she won't feel that spark. Instead, mix things up. Invite her to a cooking class, a hike, a spontaneous road trip, or even just an outdoor picnic under the stars. Novel experiences create adrenaline and dopamine, 2 chemicals that heighten attraction and excitement. And here's the key. Because you shared that moment together, she'll connect those good feelings directly to you. Step 3, tease and challenge her playfully. Being too agreeable can feel boring. Light teasing and playful challenges create tension, the good kind of tension that fuels chemistry. If she says something a little sassy, smile and say, "Wow, you're trouble, aren't you?" If she playfully challenges you, fire right back in a fun, confident way. Just be sure to balance teasing with warmth. Think of it like a dance, flirty, respectful, and a little unpredictable. Step 4, validate her emotional investment. When she shares something personal, show appreciation. Say, "I really respect how open you are with me," or That means a lot that you trust me with that. This creates emotional safety and trust, which deepens her attachment to you. Women want to feel that they can open up without judgment. When you give her that space, you become the person she feels closest to. Let's talk about the mistakes most guys make that sabotage emotional imprinting. Number 1, over-texting without substance. Sending dozens of "how's your gay" texts isn't creating an imprint, it's just noise. Instead, focus on planning real experiences and having deeper conversations. Number 2, being overly agreeable. If you always agree with everything she says, you're not creating the emotional highs and lows that spark connection. Don't be afraid to have an opinion and playfully challenge her. Number 3, trying too hard to impress. Real confidence comes from knowing you're enough without constant validation. When you're relaxed and authentic, she feels it, and she wants more of it. Let's recap what we covered. The one thing that makes her addicted to you is creating emotional imprints. You do that by being fully present and attentive, leading her into new and memorable experiences, teasing her in a playful, confident way, validating her emotional investment. When you combine these elements, you create feelings she doesn't get from anyone else. And that's when you become unforgettable. Remember, attraction isn't about being perfect. It's about being real, confident, and emotionally engaging. So, if you're serious about becoming the man she can't stop thinking about, start practicing these 4 steps today. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's the most unforgettable experience you've ever shared with someone? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future videos on confidence, dating, and real connection. Thanks for watching. Stay confident, stay authentic, and I'll see you in the next video.